Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Instagram story icon too big. For example, if you have recently updated your Instagram app and you see that Instagram story icon has gone too big with the recent updates, then how you can fix that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram app, and after that you have to close the all app, and here you have to simply open the Play Store and you have to click on Instagram, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, you have to simply update your Instagram, because any feature which is available on Instagram is not liked by the Instagram user is usually removed by the Instagram after a new update. So you have to simply update your Instagram app and you have to check whether it has been removed, which means you got again the smaller story icon or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram and you have to simply open any kind of browser, and here you have to simply search for Instagram older version, and after that you have to install any older version which do not have story icon big, and you can simply enjoy normal story icon by using the older version of your Instagram app. If you do not get the older version and if you want to still use the updated version, then you have to wait for some time so that a new recent update available, so that you can update your Instagram app and that big icon problem are solved by the Instagram team with newer update. Hope you have liked this video. If you're gonna get more videos like this, kindly subscribe our channel.